I hear today? Well, to the extent that these bones are moving or are not moving, will really impact through brain function to determine how healthy you are right now as we sit here. So, whether it's a child with colic or a 90-year-old man with Parkinson's and everyone in between, my experience over the last 13, 14 years doing this work is that everybody benefits from having these cranial bones move normally. And what my students have been doing here with us for the last 3 days, and one more day tomorrow, is been learning a technique which literally takes 1 minute to do, to open and to cause these bones to breathe normally. And by those bones moving or breathing, so to speak, normally, that then enables your body to function at a higher level. And what does that mean to you? Well, I don't know any of your health histories. I don't know if you have any health issues at all. But what it will do would be improve your performance. You know, nobody here would go out and buy a brand new car and not change the oil and not tune it up. That's ridiculous. You'd say, that doesn't make any sense. But yet, what do we do to maintain and optimize the function in our body? Well, we should eat right, we should get the proper rest, we should go out and get fresh air, sunshine, have fun, play sports, do all the things that most of us know. But to me, the one key that's been missing is this whole cranial function. And the cranial release technique is designed to enable people to get this rhythm and get this movement back so that you can function at your optimal state of wholeness, of whoever you are. And that's what really this is all about. So, there's my friend in the back. Us Capricorns, we like to talk when all the time. So, I mean, if anybody has any questions for me, great, but really the people that you came that invited you are now ready to go. I mean, they've been through my training, they know what they're doing, and we're going to be here to supervise with them, but they probably want to do some tests with you to determine just how balanced or unbalanced you really are, and then apply the cranial release and stand you back up and then recheck you and see what's been done, and I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. So if anybody has any questions for me, fire away. If you don't have any questions for me, then let's go back with our friends that brought us here and let them take a quick look at you and evaluate you and see what we can do to help you. I mean, that's what this is all about. It's really about helping people to function from inside out at a higher level. You know? I mean, all I hear now, especially this time of year, it's flu season. Get the flu shot, get the flu shot, get this, get that, get that. And again, I'm just using that as an example. I'm not for or against the flu shot. This is not the time and place for that lecture. But it seems that so much of healthcare has been from the outside in. We forget that our body has a healing mechanism from inside out. And we can prove that. For all of us men here, we cut ourselves shaving in the morning. Don't worry, tomorrow is going to be brand new skin. All of us have fallen and cut ourselves or been injured, and our body has this internal healing mechanism that repairs itself from inside out. That's all under the control of the brain and the nervous system. And if these cranial bones are not functioning and breathing properly, well, that system will not work right, and you will not be optimized in your ability to function. So, for me personally, I'm on the table on a regular basis to receive this work, not because I have an ache or a pain, not because I have a disease or I take medication, because I don't. Thank God I've been blessed with good health. But I have this done to me on a regular basis to optimize my function, to take a preventative maintenance approach, just like tuning up the car or changing the oil or doing anything like that. So that's what the work is all about. It's very gentle. It takes all of a minute to do, but the beauty is it's very powerful. And this is all I use in my practice. And I've been seeing patients from all walks of life with all sorts of problems, and I've never seen anything that does what cranial release can do. That's why I'm here. If I thought there was anything better than what I have here, believe me, I'd be doing it. There's nothing better than I've ever seen that with this 1 minute technique, which you're now going to experience. All right, so thank you all for coming. We're going to be here and